Ramachor. In our previous lecture, we have completed chapter number 8, part 1 from page number 112 to 116. Today we are going to start part 2. So let's begin. Students, in our previous video, we have done till page number 116. So now let us move further. As the parade passes by, they see some children coming on an elephant. These children have got bravery awards. They also enjoy the colorful dances and aerobics by school children. They want to follow the parade to Red Fort. Gappu has seen Red Fort before and tells them about his trip. So now Gappu is sharing his experience about the trip. So now open page number 117. So here you can see a trip to Red Fort. When we reached Red Fort, there was a long queue for tickets. The main entrance is called Lahori Gate. The main entrance is called Lahori Gate. After entering it, we turn into a long corridor with little shops on both sides. This is called Meena Bazaar. So in your books you can see Meena Bazaar and Lahori Gate. I bought some lovely bangles from there for my sister. So now you can see the map in your books. Turn the page in page number 118. You can go straight through Nakar Khana and reach Diwan-e-Aam. This is where the king used to meet the common people. Walking straight from Diwan-e-Aam, we saw Rang Mahal. It is a beautiful building. There were 3 more on left side. Look for these on the map. So now let us see the map on the screen. So students, remember that in this chapter we are discussing about maps and 4 directions. So now let us do question given in your book, page number 118. Find out from map 4. Question number 1. Which of these is nearer to river Yamuna, the Diwan-e-Aam or the Diwan-e-Khas? So students, here you can see Yamuna river. And here it is Diwan-e-Aam and here it is Diwan-e-Khas. So which of these is nearer to river Yamuna? Diwan-e-Khas is near to river Yamuna. Then Diwan-e-Aam. So what is the correct answer? Diwan-e-Khas is near to the river Yamuna. Next question. Between which 2 buildings is Aramgah? So students, here you can see Aramgah. It is between Diwan-e-Khas and Rang Mahal. Next question. Which buildings do you pass while going from Rang Mahal to the Haman? So students, here you can see Rang Mahal and here it is Haman. So we will pass through Aramgah and Diwan-e-Khas. Next question. Which building on this map is farthest from Meena Bazaar? So here it is Meena Bazaar and Haman is farthest from Meena Bazaar. Next question. About how far is Lahori Gate from Diwan-e-Khas? So here you can see Lahori Gate and here it is Diwan-e-Khas. So here students, you have to use ruler. Now measure the length. It is about 6 centimeter. And we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. So ground distance of Lahori Gate from Diwan-e-Khas will be 6 into 100, that is 600 meter. So now open your book page number 121. So here you can see, look at the map of India below and find the states these children are talking about. Answer the questions. So now let us see this map of India through screen. First question. The Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. Which states does it cross to reach Delhi? So here you can see Karnataka. So which states does it cross to reach Delhi? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Second question. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. So the team from there travels towards south to reach Delhi. Which states does it cross? So Jammu and Kashmir, you can see it is in north. So it is to the north of Delhi. So the team from there travel towards south to reach Delhi. So which states it crosses? Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Next question. Nonu lives in Gujarat. So here it is Gujarat. Nonu's friend Javed lives in West Bengal, and here is West Bengal. Nonu wants to visit his friend. In which direction will he travel? So from West Bengal to Gujarat, students, which direction is it? It is towards west. Next question. Is there any state which is to be north of Jammu and Kashmir? So students, just see the map. Is there any state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir? No, there is no state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? So students, see the map. Is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? No, there is no state which is to the west of Gujarat. Next question. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometer on the ground, use the scale to find out. A part, about how far is Delhi from Jaipur? So students, take your scale and measure the distance. How far is Delhi from Jaipur? We know that 1 centimeter is equal to here 200 kilometer. So 1.5 centimeter is 200 kilometer plus 50 kilometer. It is 250 kilometer. B part, estimate how far is Jaipur from Bhopal. So students, again take your scale and measure the distance. How far is Jaipur from Bhopal? On the map it is 2 centimeter. So on the ground it will be 2 into 200 kilometer. So the answer is 400 kilometer. Next question. Look at the map and tell A part, which state is surrounded by 4 other states. So students, here you can see Madhya Pradesh is surrounded by 4 other states. B part, which state has the largest area? If its name is not in the map, find it from your teacher or parents. Explain how you got your answer. So students, on the basis of map, I am writing the answer. The answer is Rajasthan. C part, which state is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim? So here you can see Himachal Pradesh is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim. D part, about how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? So Rajasthan is about 7 times the area of Punjab. Next topic, the sea. This topic is there in your book, page number 123. Bala is standing on the sea coast and looking at the vast sea. The sea looks endless. So here you can see a girl standing, and she is standing on the sea coast and looking at the vast sea. Now the question is, have you seen the sea? In the picture, where is the sea? Now look for the sea in the map of India. What color is used to show the sea? So the answer is, yes, I have seen the sea. The blue color represents the sea in the picture. Blue color is used to show the sea in the map of India. So students, in map of India, blue color is used to show the sea. Next question. Mark those states which have the sea on one side. So students, here you can see the map. The red color dot shows states which have sea on one side. Next question. Name one state which does not have the sea on any side. So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So chapter number 8, part 2 completed. Now I'll continue in our next class. Take care. Bye-bye.